If you want to enable one-handed mode on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we can scroll down in the settings and choose special features. After that go to gestures, and finally over here we have the one-handed mode. If you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you can use one-handed mode as a button shortcut. So over here we need to enable this shortcut, press got it, and over here we have our button. So we can tap on it in order to enable and disable one-handed mode, or if it's enabled we can tap over here in order to deactivate the one-handed mode. If you want to be able to use a gesture instead, like you can see over here, then we need to switch from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. And now over here if we go to one-handed mode, as you can see, now it can be activated and deactivated, and we can also choose to pull screen into reach. But essentially, if you use gestures, then you should be able to swipe down from this bottom side of the phone, and then we can swipe up. So this is how we can activate and deactivate the one-handed mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.